Good morning, beautiful people. It's several days later. Today is Thursday morning, you guys, and I'm surviving my allergies, you guys. That's why I haven't been vlogging, because my allergies are so bad to the point where I got a nosebleed the other day of how hard I was blowing my nose. But anyways, I need to go to Target because I need to buy a diaper rash for Eliana. And I also need to buy some water wipes for her because I don't even know what's like causing her to having a diaper rash, because I am always on top of changing her diaper on time. I go through diapers a lot, you guys. Anyways, I'm about to make myself a smoothie because I haven't ate anything, and I'm gonna get the girls some snacks just for them to snack around, because I need to go to Target and I also need to go to Sephora. This is a must. I have to go to Sephora because I have no foundation, no concealer. I'm all out, and I'm always used to having not a full face, but something to cover up my blemishes, and my under eyes, because my under eyes are really, really bad right now. So I'm going to make myself a smoothie, and I don't know if you guys are able to hear the background noise. They're watching YouTube right now, and we were watching. So I just saw a commercial on YouTube, and it's from Kinetic Sand Smoothie Mixer, which is this right here. And yeah, the girls were super interested, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy them that. Cause why not, right? They have Play-Doh, they have slime, but they don't have kinetic sand. So we'll see how that goes. If you guys hear me congested, is because I have really bad allergies. This is so good, and it's sweet enough with the banana and the dates, which is very sweet actually. So I'm going to finish this, you guys, and then we're gonna head out. Prep some snacks for the girls since we're gonna be out, but I'm also gonna be adding some goldfish and all that stuff. So whenever they get hungry, I just give them a little snack or something. Okay guys, so I finally got my Birkenstock, and these are it. So this is how they look like. I love them.
Please, Mommy.
No.
Please.
We're not gonna do the toy. We're gonna get the kinetic sand. All right, so I want to get this one, the ice cream one, okay?
No, I want to get this.
We're gonna get the ice cream.
And I want to get this.
All right, so we made it to Target, you guys, and I literally have
Mommy!
everything that I need to buy. But right now they're debating. Hennessy says, I want this, I want that. What? Yeah, we're gonna take this one.
And we're gonna take this.
No, we're gonna take this, and that's it.
I want to take this.
Don't put anything in the basket, please. Ellie, quítale eso. Put it back there. Yeah, can I get a brown sugar shaken espresso?
What size?
Can you do venti? Only 3 shots and only 2 pumps of syrup? And then can you add sweet vanilla cold foam, please? So I just got out of Target, you guys, and I literally needed a coffee to pick me up because I don't have coffee at my house. And there was a Starbucks coffee at the Target I always go to, but the girls were crying, like crying. You guys were throwing a fit. Eliana fell asleep. She's like in the back, knocked out right now. And then Hennessy's is just playing with her water. I didn't even know there was a Starbucks in the same shopping center, but I got myself a coffee, and like, this is the perfect color. This girl knows how to do her thing. It's so good. I need this. I currently have a massive headache like in the front of my head. So every time I look down and look right back up quickly, my head hurts, you guys. I don't know what it is, but my head hurts. And the weather here in California at the moment is kind of chilly. Well, it's not chilly. It's kind of like cool, but windy. Cool and windy. So yeah, just yesterday it was like 80 degrees, and then last week it was like super hot, and now it's just like getting cool, and it's just like, bro, like, make up your mind. Like, what do you want to be, summer or winter? Like, come on. But anyways, we are headed home, and I'll be showing you guys a little haul of what I got. So my camera completely just turned off, and I had to charge it, you guys. But oh my goodness, right now I'm having like an allergy attack. Right now my eyes are itching so bad, but I'm just gonna get through this because I actually want to film it. All right, so the next thing that I got is this Desitin for Eliana. I got some exfoliating cotton round pads. My eyes are so red, you guys. I am trying my best not to like scratch them or touch them. I'm trying my best not to touch them because they are itching. But I'm about to close like the back door to my backyard and just turn on air because I feel like that's what's like causing my flare up to continue. So next I got these toothbrush protectors. I got some water wipes for Eliana. And I also got some Vaseline, and I got some cream cheese and chicken breast because I'm about to make a chicken noodle soup for the girls. I'm trying so hard, you guys, but it's so hard. It's so hard. I just want to like lay down and not do anything because right now my head is hurting, like it's throbbing. My eyes are so itchy, so itchy. And the kinetic sand that I bought, Hennessy's, like the ice cream thing that she showed you guys, I think that was just a huge mistake buying it because it's kinetic sand and it literally got all over the place and it got messy. And I'm just like, ugh, I have to clean it now. So I'm that. All right. Hopefully I will feel better soon. So I'm done, you guys, and I'm about to clean like 3 dishes that I have. Like I still have it. So look, I still have my coffee right here. It's all watered down, but 2 hours ago, it was the worst. Like I really have bad allergies and like my eyes are no longer red. Oh my God. It's crazy that I got it on camera because I really have bad allergies, you guys, like really, really bad. Anyways, I need to start decorating the kitchen because I feel like the kitchen is so left out, like out of love. Like I'm going to put like a painting here and then another one there. I don't know if to do like a metal painting or a metal frame painting so we can make the house more cozy because I feel like it's missing something. And I don't know if I told you guys this. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I finally got a mirror, you guys. I got a mirror right here. I freaking love it. Oh my God, I'm like so obsessed with it. So this is what you see when you enter my home, right here. And these are my, these are the, what is it? The Shark cordless pieces that it came with. And yeah, it's just all over the place. It's dirty, you guys. My house is dirty. I feel so tired. They want to go outside, but I don't want to go outside. If I open the door, Mama, me va a dar allergies y no quiero que me dé allergies porque si no, Mami se va a sentir mal.